I'm Nancy. I'm now located in Mingxue Road, which is also the location of Foshan Mingxue Optoelectronics. Today, I will show you our new production base. Let's go! Foshan Mingxue Optoelectronics is located in Foshan City, Guangdong Province, with a total area of about 25,000 square meters and more than 200 employees. It was completely and put into operation in 2022. The monthly production ability has expanded to 3 million meters. The opening of Foshan Mingxue and R&D and sales center of Shenzhen Mingxue show that Mingxue Optoelectronics has officially started collectivization development. Shenzhen and Foshan make joint efforts to help Mingxue and our dear customers obtain stronger market competitiveness. Here are our PMC department, QC department, engineering department, and so on. At the same time, the floor is also used for staff entertainment and customer reception. Now, let's go downstairs and check out our showroom and lab.